Hello, I am speaking Dr. Deshbandhu Bajpayee from Kanak Polytherapy Clinic and Research Center, 67/70 Bhusa Toli Road, Barsan Bazar, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. Now today in this part 7, I will tell you about the electrothromboslography technology, how it came in existence in the entire India and abroad, because nobody was known to its efficiency and its talent of the technology. So nobody was well aware of the technology, and it came in existence in 2004 when an Ministry of Science and Technology undertaking institution, National Innovation Foundation, has organized an India-wide competition for invention, innovation and researches in the field of systems, science and technology. A book is written by me in previously with the experiences of this technology about the status quantification of Ayurvedic principles like Vat, Pitta and Kaph and its four other segments with the Ras, Rakt, Mans, Med, Asti, Majja, Shukra, the seven dhatus and the Mal and other factors were quantified at that time. So, with a wide and experiences which I was gained is implemented and written in this book, so that this book is available in internet and is free for everyone. So in this book all the aspect of this electrothromboslography Ayurveda scanner has been given very widely, and everything is discussed, how Vata is represented, how Pitta is represented, and how Kapha is represented in the view of modern medical sciences and others sciences like STEAM, which we say STEAM, science, technology, engineering and mathematics. So all four has been included and discussed in this book, which is available in internet and can be loaded by the anyone and can read this book. So he will get the idea of this technology. In year 2004, National Innovation Foundation Ahmedabad has invited entries, those who have done already the invention, the innovation and researches in the field of any science and technology. So they invited the entries for the pratiyogita or competition. So I participated in the competition and sent my this entry electrothromboslography in this competition. A research paper was prepared very widely and about the thesis prepared in 150 pages with the all details of the technology, and the research was in total sent to National Innovation Foundation headquarters, which is now at present in Ahmedabad in Gujarat, and they accepted my entry and sent a letter to me that your entry is accepted, and this is a very unique invention you have done, and they praised it very well. So now you can see his letter which he sent to me. After this one, they asked me that they want to send this entry to their sponsor to make it a great achievement in the field of Ayurveda. So they called me on telephone, and a team of 4 or 5 persons was there, in which the engineers, the Ayurvedic physician, the allopathic physicians, the executives of National Innovation Foundation. About 8 persons was in the team, and they asked me so many questions which I replied them very well, and they asked each and every aspect how you have get it, the idea of the first idea of it's the innovation, how you developed it, what problems you have faced, what was your aim in and utility of this technology in your in Ayurveda professions. There was so many questions, and they were related with the technology and scientific aspects of the machine and Ayurveda also. So I replied very well and told them everything which was possible to me. So then this was the first impression with the National Innovation Foundation which I got. Now you will see in other video the how this technology came to another form to other great institution of India. You will find in next video. So this is my new hospital come clinic where we examine each and every patient in modern medicine, medical devices, and provide the integrated treatment to patients who came to our clinic for the treatment, and we advise them to come and get the benefits of this technology which is available at our Kanpur and Unnao center both,